Hi, we're at the Berg residence. Here's the thermostat that we'll be replacing upstairs. Here's the upstairs system that we're doing a complete split. 14-inch cabinet, double wall ventilation through the ceiling. We have upper and lower fresh air, gas line and electrical, and plenty of room above the future furnace. We're gonna possibly have to increase or enlarge the return or put a bar face grill. We are doing a 3-ton system. We'll head downstairs. So here's the downstairs thermostat we'll be replacing with the Lennox thermostat. One return downstairs, second return downstairs. Here's the downstairs system, which will also be a 3-ton system on a 17-inch cabinet. Upper fresh air, obviously lower fresh air because we're in the closet. Electrical's already hardwired in because the furnace is staying and it's new. Also, we have the gas line there. Here's the panel we'll be doing the service upgrade to. It's a 100 amp service now with a 50 amp to an oven and 30 amps to the dryer. And then both condensers will sit, once we remove the swamp cooler here, both condensers will sit here on the side, running one line set up to the ceiling and one line set into the garage.